Connect is proud to present DIT's Employee Highlight. In this edition, Senior Project Manager Rockie Pitts talks about his role within the Department of Information Technology.
I am essentially a Senior Project Manager, and I have responsibility for managing projects from end to end using methodologies that are accepted in the industry. It's our job to do a couple of things, basically to educate where we have to, and to make sure that we're following best practices in the industry. So, along with managing the project, we kind of do training along the way if we need to as well.
Project Manager Rockie Pitts shares background information on his completed as well as current projects in DIT.
The IVR project, Interactive Voice Response for the court system, that actually went live last December. A few challenges there. Basically what happens is customers are able to call in through a particular number and pay their parking tickets, red lights, and things of that sort. The system and the platform that it was on prior to us implementing this system was outdated.
DIT recently moved some of their team members to 72 Marietta Street. Rockie shares this experience and some interesting findings with this particular assignment.
That one was interesting because I actually co-managed the project. Terrence Franklin was the construction project manager, and I managed the IT portion of it. AJC owned this building, and when they vacated, they took everything with them. They just pretty much stripped the building clean, especially in the data center. So what we're having to do is upgrade the fire suppression system and the UPS batteries, even above and beyond getting all the employees moved in from Watershed as well.
Rockie discussed some challenges in his day-to-day tasks and gives insight to the strategies to overcoming these obstacles.
Personalities sometimes, because that's something people don't like to talk about, but it is ever present. In your project meetings, you have some folks that are really, really passionate about what they believe in. You have others that are very quiet, but they hold the keys to a lot of the information that you need.
Rockie discussed the skills and technology necessary to manage his projects.
The internet is a vast wealth of knowledge, and I use that if I come across things during project meetings, perhaps technologies that I don't understand. I'll go out, of course, like everybody does. I'll Google them and try to find out more information. Us as PMs, it's pretty much Project Server and Microsoft Project. And the thing with those is, even though we as PMs understand those tools, and trying to get other folks, like for example, to go to Project Server, go to the website, look at the status of your projects. There again, we're in a position where there are tools that we like to use, but everybody in the world is not familiar with them.
I hope you've enjoyed this edition of DIT's Employee Highlight. Congratulations, Rockie Pitts, for a job well done.